Put your grill grate into a plastic bag. This trick will really save you a lot of time and hassle. Start by taking a dishwasher tablet and dropping it into a bowl. Pour in hot water so the tablet dissolves completely. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Baking soda has cleaning, degreasing, and mild abrasive properties. Mix everything thoroughly. Let the solution cool down. Once it's cooled, place the grill grate into the plastic bag. Make sure the bag is big and sturdy enough. Pour the prepared mixture inside. Seal the bag tightly, securing all the ends to prevent any leaks. Set it on the counter and leave it for about an hour or longer, depending on how dirty it is. After that time, carefully open the bag and remove the grate. Scrub off any remaining residue with a regular sponge. Soaking it in the bag helps loosen burned-on grime without heavy scrubbing. The dishwasher tablet and baking soda work together to dissolve stubborn dirt and grease, making thorough cleaning easy.